Like I was a small girl.
Right.
I was like 10 years old. I could make full lunch for my
Wow.
mom.
Okay, right.
Because it was like this. If mom says, baby, आज खाना बनाना है तो बनाना है. तो
And I believe you used to live above the school you
yeah,
went to.
yeah,
Wow,
on
that
second
is-
floor. Yes. And my mom was also very passionate about her food.
Right.
क्योंकि पहले के ज़माने में I think कोई मेहमान आते थे तो बातों का कोई मतलब नहीं होता था. आपने खाना क्या खिलाया है, थाली कैसे प्रेजेंट की है, वो सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. माय मॉम्स के ही हमने स्किल्स लिए हैं. बहुत सारी रेसिपीज़ हैं जो मैं अपनी मॉम की ही अभी भी चलाती हूँ.
Hi everybody, I'm Sandeep Chatrat and I'm a home chef myself, and I welcome you to We the Chef Food Talk with Sarish Bhattacharya. First of all, a little bit of information as to what We the Chef stands for. What is We the Chefs? We the Chefs is an aggregator for home chefs. We have home chefs who are motivated and cook very freshly cooked food for you. And our goal is to bring this fresh food from our 275 chefs in Delhi NCR and 50 chefs already enrolled in Bangalore to your home. This show is about some exciting conversations with our chefs. We will try and present a new chef to you with their story, with their history, how they started cooking, what they were doing earlier, and what took them to cooking.
Hi, we are back with another episode of Food Talk, and we are at the We the Chef Experience Center, where I hope to dig into some good food while talking to some great people. Today, my guest is Sarika Gupta. She's from Delhi. But now she lives in Faridabad, which is not very far from Delhi. And she's makes some great food. In fact, this matris, which I've been eyeing very greedily for the past half an hour, made by her. And but these are just a little bit of what she does because she has a wide range of food, and she has been working as a home chef for a long time. Though in installments, we'll get into that, you know. And but I'll Sarika ji, मैं आपसे ये बात करना चाह रहा था कि आप जिंदगी शुरू की दरियागंज में.
Yes.
और हम दरियागंज को हमेशा मोती महल के साथ एसोसिएट करते हैं, पर आप तो है 100% वेजिटेरियन.
बिल्कुल.
तो आप कहाँ जाती थी अपने चाट खाने या और कुछ?
दरियागंज में हमारी एक स्ट्रीट थी जिसका हमने नाम दिया हुआ था रोमियो स्ट्रीट, बिकॉज आफ्टर 6:30 PM ऑल द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स वर ऑन दैट रोमियो स्ट्रीट. और आलू चाट, पानी पूरी, वो सब के स्टॉल्स होते थे. तो हमने यही खाना खा के हम बड़े हुए हैं. ये पास्ता, चाउमीन, ये सब नहीं था उस टाइम. गोलगप्पे वो भी सूजी के ही होते थे, आटे के अब आए हैं. उस टाइम सूजी के गोलगप्पे, आलू टिक्की, पतीली वाला छोला, और एक वहाँ पे पेशावरी होता था, पेशावरी के छोले भटूरे, समोसे. तो हम लोग यही खा के बड़े हुए हैं. मोती महल कभी नहीं गए क्योंकि इट वाज फेमस फॉर नॉन वेजिटेरियन. सो मोती महल हम लोग कभी नहीं गए.
No, but दरियागंज में इतना कुछ मिलता है कि it's not like it's not a unidimensional food culture there, you know. बहुत कुछ मिलता है. No wonder आप एक तो मारवाड़ी फैमिली में हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और आप जैसे कहते हैं कि मारवाड़ी पैदा ही होते हैं खाना बनाने और खाने के लिए, अच्छा खाना बनाने और खाने के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
और अभी आप you're in the business of serving people and making them happy. So when did you first start becoming a home chef?
Like I was a small girl.
Right.
I was like 10 years old. I could make full lunch for my
Wow.
mom.
Okay.
Because it was like this. If mom says, baby, आज खाना बनाना है तो बनाना है. तो
And I believe you used to live above the school you went to.
Yeah,
Wow,
on
that
second
is-
floor. Yes. And my mom was also very passionate about her
Right.
food. क्योंकि पहले के ज़माने में I think कोई मेहमान आते थे तो बातों का कोई मतलब नहीं होता था. आपने खाना क्या खिलाया है, थाली कैसे प्रेजेंट की है, वो सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. माय मॉम्स के ही हमने स्किल्स लिए हैं. बहुत सारी रेसिपीज हैं जो मैं अपनी मॉम की ही अभी भी चलाती हूँ और लोग पसंद
Coming
करते
back,
हैं.
you before we started our conversation, you're saying you're from Bhiwani. Your
Yeah.
family is from Bhiwani.
Yeah.
Now there are a lot of people and Daryaganj, for those who are not aware, is almost bordering what we call Purani Delhi, Old Delhi, or Delhi
Yes,
shape.
बिल्कुल.
Now, and a lot of people from Bhiwani, or that part of Haryana, settled down in Diliche a long time back, and mostly they were, Banya families.
But my family, like the surname is also very unique. You'll never forget. It's Chidimar.
Chidimar, okay.
Yeah, so nobody forgets that surname right from the classroom till now. So the Chidimar family migrated to Kolkata.
Ah, okay.
So some
And why is
trade.
it called Chidimar?
We are Chidimars, and so from Kolkata, my father shifted to Delhi, Daryaganj. So born and brought up in Daryaganj.
Okay, so
that
you
way.
grew up as Sonali Chidimar, then you became
Sarika Chidimar.
Sorry, Sarika Chidimar. I'm so sorry. Sarika Chidimar, and then you became Sonali Gupta.
Sarika Chidimar Gupta.
Yes. Sir?
Yes.
Okay, right. Fantastic. Okay, so now coming to your professional catering life,
Right.
and you said that you started in 1998 for a short time, and then again you took another plunge in 2006.
Yeah.
And then, with Corona, you became a full-time
Yes.
chef.
Yes.
And you did a lot of good work also. You used to supply food free of charge to people.
Yes, during Corona we did that.
Afflicted by Corona. Now tell me, how did this growth take place? And, I'm sure you were, and how did you get in touch with We the Chefs?
Okay, that's an interesting story. 98, I started tiffin services. For 2 years we did that, but I couldn't continue with this. It was big hassle, very tiring. So we stopped that, though, and the tiffin charges were very less. To recover that money from factory people, it was really very bad at that time. Then in 2006, we again started, and it was my catering service, full on. Like, we used to send half-done food with my staff. They used to go present food, and they wiped out the kitchen utensils, everything. But again, the internet was not there, so
You could not promote your work.
I couldn't promote. I was naive also, और इतना नहीं था. Then again, during Corona, the home chef culture came up, and there was a requirement of meals for patients. So I did a lot of meals free of cost for the patients. And during this journey, my friends told me, Sarika, you can again do it, because now the food can be delivered by Uber, VFast, Porter, which I didn't know. So again, बहुत मन तो करता ही था कि पैसे भी कमाने हैं और नाम भी कमाना है. So again, I drafted a menu, what all can be done, and we launched it again, because now the area was very large.
Right.
I started getting orders, and and the culture again was the delivery was to be paid by the client. So this culture helped me in getting success.
And, Sarika ji, though you live in Faridabad, commuting was not a problem. I mean, sending your food over to Delhi or
No.
Noida.
My food travels to Rohini also. My food travels to Ghaziabad and Gurgaon equally good.
So you have a very big market to cater to.
Now we have a big market.
Okay, now tell me, how did you get associated with We the Chefs?
Again, internet. From Facebook, Vishal's partner, I got Anoop, I think. Anoop se contact hua tha. Anoop introduced me to Vishal, and somehow the journey started, and it was a miracle.
And when was this journey? When did this start? Sorry.
21, I think, 2021. And my growth happened with We the Chef only. इतना अच्छा exposure, इतने बड़े बड़े platforms. ठीक है, मैंने भी challenge लिया. Challenge लेने वाले बहुत लोग होते हैं, लेकिन platform देने वाले बहुत कम लोग होते हैं. I thanks to We the Chef for my success this time, and my daughter, who helped me in Instagram and menu designing and shooting. सब कुछ उसने सिखाया.
Sarika ji, what is her name?
Varsha.
Varsha. Okay,
Varsha.
And
So
is she studying? Is she working?
No, she's doing a job with Accenture.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So she helped me a lot, and We the Chef platform and the combination, I got success.
Fantastic. And you said that you do a variety of cuisines,
Yeah.
So how did you pick up? I mean, I can understand you could have been just a Marwari cuisine specialist, no?
No.
But
Somehow during the journey, because हमारे घर में बहुत खाने पिलाने का कल्चर है. कोई आता है तो हम 36 चीज़ बनाते हैं. पता नहीं कैसे सभी कुछ सीख लिया. कोई फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली है, लेकिन चाइनीज, बंगाली, महाराष्ट्रियन थोड़ा. Maharashtrian बहुत कम आता है, but I can do. And Mexican, Lebanese, falafel, meze platter is very popular. Then wraps are very popular. Punjabi, Rajasthani, chaat. and number of I can do lot of cuisines with perfection.
So you can actually set up an entire party, you know. I mean,
No, I have my limitation, so इतना बड़ा स्केल पे नहीं कर सकती हूँ,
Right.
बट ऑन छोटी छोटी पार्टीज में बहुत आराम से करती हूँ. हाँ.
Very good.
Around 50 people I can handle, not
Wow,
more than
okay.
that. Yeah, 50 we can do.
So do you have now a dedicated staff with you, or how do you operate?
You'll be surprised to know that I'm counting on my home staff. I pay them extra. 2-3 people I call from outside. वो भी set है. My gardener became my halwai, you know, because he's very fond of cooking. My driver is also a helping hand. So somehow the बहुत अच्छी टीम डेवलप हो गई है. So because आप extra cost अगर आप कर लोगे तो आप sustain नहीं
So
करोगे.
you're actually you're the like a role model for home chefs.
I
So-
can, yeah,
because
you can say that.
everything about you is at home, you know.
Yeah,
I
at
mean,
home.
you don't have a commercial kitchen. You don't have a
No.
paid. I mean, paid staff exclusively for your.
No, nothing. I
chef's,
don't have any
role,
fixed
you know.
expenses for my business.
Yeah.
I hire as per the order.
Right.
और मैं बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती हूँ. I really cook a lot. When the catering is there, I get up at 3 a.m.
Wow.
and I can work up till 12 night, and then next day I can take rest. So God gives me a lot of energy, and His.
That's amazing, you know.
Yeah, that is. It's
So it's food and appreciation that you get that gives you the energy. and the
money
drive.
also.
Because
Money
who doesn't
also.
make money, you know, sir?
बिकॉज एक पैशन था यार, पैसे कमाने, एजुकेशन पूरा किया नहीं, अब कैसे कमाए. सो दिस इज माय platform where I can earn and I can look
So
forward.
you know what you're saying is also being a home chef, you know, actually benefits the person who's a home chef. You know, it's not just a hobby thing. You know, you don't do it only for appreciation.
No, now you
and
can
some pocket
earn
money, but you can actually have a
Yes.
living out of being a home
yes,
chef.
you can earn a lot. अपना हाइजीन मेंटेन करिए, फोटोग्राफी मेंटेन करिए, प्रमोट करिए, अपना नेटवर्क बिल्डअप करिए. सो होम शेफ्स कैन अर्न अ लॉट दीज
Right,
डेज,
right.
बिकॉज लोगों को ट्रस्ट फैक्टर आता है कि घर से आया है खाना तो इट इज सेफ, इट इज
Fresh will be also, no?
या इट इज वेरी फ्रेश. आप अभी भी मेरे किचन में जाएंगे आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. माई फ्रिज विल बी एम्प्टी, नो डीप फ्रीज फूड, वी मेक ओनली ऑन ऑर्डर.
Oh,
सो
that's- And are there particular days or certain time of the year when you get more orders than usual, or or it is
नथिंग.
like continuous process?
विंटर्स में वो आटे के लड्डू ये बहुत ज्यादा चल जाते
Right.
हैं. होली, दिवाली, गुजिया, और बाकी टाइम पार्टी केटरिंग्स, किसी को कुछ चाहिए, मतलब ओवरऑल चलता ही है.
और आप बोल रहे थे कि Amazon के थ्रू भी आप कुछ retail कर रहे हैं.
My dream is to set up a small unit factory for my dry snacks. So I'm trying
तो
for
ड्राई स्नैक्स में क्या है? मटरी तो है.
आटे
और
की मठरी, this मैदा मठरी,
Right.
then roasted namkeens
Right.
and pickles. So all these things, and then I'll go on adding more and more items. We have lot गुजिया, आटे के लड्डू, ये सब Amazon के थ्रू या Flipkart के थ्रू. Flipkart पे अभी नहीं हुआ, but Amazon it has started.
Fantastic. So you're really looking at scaling up, you know.
Yeah.
Okay,
This thing can be done, then can be scaled up because it has a set recipe. जो हम केटरिंग का काम करते हैं उसकी कोई सेट रेसिपी नहीं होती है, तो उसमें ग्रोथ जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ उतना ही मिलेगा. बट दिस कैन, अगर 500 kg बनवाना है तो वी कैन डू इट इजीली बिकॉज कारीगर हमारे हिसाब से काम करते हैं. सो दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर आई कैन ग्रो, and that is a place where I can make a name for myself. So
And I guess once you make a name for yourself, growth will come automatically.
yeah, whatever I have achieved, jitna bhi hai, I'm very happy for
Yeah,
myself.
right.
See, I'm sitting with you here na, right now. I'm so happy.
And I'm so fortunate to have you and talk to you. And
My
you're someone who's been so intimately associated with Purani Delhi,
Yes.
in a sense. आप पुरानी दिल्ली में भी कहीं जाते हैं कभी-कभी खाना खाने या
खाना खाने तो अब नहीं जानते, बचपन ही वहीं चावड़ी बाजार, खारी बावली की गलियों में ही निकला है.
जी.
क्योंकि संडे जाना है चाट का, नानी वाज देयर, मासी वाज देयर,
Okay.
सो डीप कनेक्शन थ्रू
तो आप
पुरानी
पुरानी दिल्ली की भी कुछ रेसिपीज इंकॉर्पोरेट किए हैं अपने menu में?
पुरानी दिल्ली की चाट है. चाट का टेस्ट तो वहीं से आया है ना.
बिल्कुल
जो
बिल्कुल.
टेस्ट जो मेरे को पसंद है वो पुरानी दिल्ली का है.
तो
तो जो
पुरानी दिल्ली की चाट में क्या खासियत है? हम सब नटराज के चाट के बारे में
एक तो
कहते हैं.
आप देखिए जो आजकल ये जो मीठी चटनी बनाते हैं ये लोग क्या करते हैं, कॉर्नफ्लोर में कलर मिलाते हैं, चीनी मिलाते हैं एंड दे यूज इट, तो इसलिए टेस्ट आ ही नहीं सकता। और पुरानी दिल्ली में ऑथेंटिक होता है या तो इमली का बनाएंगे या ड्राई अमचूर का बनाएंगे, तो उस चटनी का जो फ्लेवर आएगा वो ये लोग कैसे कॉम्पीट करेंगे। आप कहीं से समोसा मंगाइए, वो कॉर्नफ्लोर वाली चटनी आएगी विच इज जस्ट मीठा।
और अभी तो पैकेज चटनी मिलते ही वो
Right,
जो एकदम 100%
right.
कॉर्नफ्लोर वाली है।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
हाँ,
सो टेस्ट में फर्क होता ही है।
बढ़िया।
देन कचालू, हम लोग पापड़ी चाट में लाइक आई ऐड कचालू,
कचालू,
पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट इज कचालू, यू नो, एंड वी मेक अ स्पेशल कॉन्डिमेंट ऑफ कचालू, उससे टेस्ट
In
एनहांस
fact,
होता है।
कुछ दिन पहले मैं कचालू की एक बहुत बढ़िया सब्जी भी खाया था।
ओके, सब्जी वी डोंट नो
हाँ,
बट वी मेक अ
हाँ,
चाट।
वो अचार तो बहुत बढ़िया
हाँ
होता
हाँ,
है।
एंड
तो आई वाज क्वाइट सरप्राइज कि you know, किसी ने सब्जी भी बनाया कचालू का।
it's from Arabi family, maybe you can make a sabzi out of it, but
Sabji is a dry sabji.
right.
In fact, someone who's Marwari and who's also a home chef
Okay.
did it for me. Yeah, so, but you know, in fact, it's so good to see someone as entrepreneurial as you, and it's great to see that your daughter is helping you promote.
She
your
helped
business.
me a lot.
Yeah.
अब उसने मेरे को establish कर दिया, अब नहीं करती।
अच्छा, अभी वो चार्ज करेगी। She demand
No,
fees.
no chance. Now she's on her way. She's doing her job. She wants to go abroad. Now
Right.
she'll go. But
Naturally.
she has settled me. She is a big part of my success.
So apart from being a home chef, you're a mother, and how many children do you have? You have a daughter?
I have one daughter
Okay.
and 7 dogs
Oh,
in the
wow.
house. So again, there's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
We are very passionate. Like my husband is very passionate
Okay.
about pets. So एक activity वो भी चलती रहती है. But
So you're a home chef for both your dogs and for the.
नहीं, dogs का बेचारों का कुछ नहीं होता है.
अच्छा, ठीक है।
The maids can do it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, Sarika ji. You know, it was a pleasure talking to you.
Same here. I just loved sitting in front of you and telling the world about myself. It's such a big.
But you have so much to
honor.
tell, to share with the world. You know,
Yeah.
apart from food, great stories, and you know, I hope you know you achieve your dream of expanding your operations and launching a full-fledged unit.
Definitely.
You know?
Definitely. I will. Definitely, I will.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to motivate us to bring you many more such shows. Thank you so much.